Welcome to the U.S. Immigration Portal. Join our WhatsApp group for the latest immigration news and updates. Link is given in the description. Today, we're diving deep into Form I-90, application to replace permanent resident card, and processing time for Form I-90. So let's get started. Form I-90, your passport to permanent residency. Form I-90 is the official application submitted to the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, to request a replacement for your permanent resident card, commonly known as a green card. This document serves as crucial identification for lawful permanent residents and grants them the privilege to live and work within the United States. You may need to file Form I-90 for various reasons, including a lost, stolen, damaged, or expired green card. Reasons to file Form I-90. When do you need to file Form I-90? There are several circumstances that necessitate filing Form I-90. Expired green card. If your green card has expired or is about to expire within the next 6 months, you must apply for a replacement. Lost or stolen green card. In case your green card is lost or stolen, immediate action is required to prevent unauthorized use. Damaged green card. If your green card is damaged to the point of being unreadable, it needs to be replaced. Name change. If your name has legally changed since receiving your green card, you must update your card to reflect the new name. Incorrect information. If there are errors in the information on your green card, you can file Form I-90 to correct them. How to fill out Form I-90. Filling out Form I-90 accurately is essential for a smooth application process. The form requires personal information, such as your name, address, alien registration number, EIN number, and reason for applying. You will also need to provide supporting documentation, including passport, proof of address, and photographs. It is crucial to follow the instructions carefully and provide complete and truthful information. Processing time for Form I-90 in 2024. The processing time for Form I-90 can vary significantly depending on various factors, including the reason for applying, the complexity of the case, and the current workload of USCIS. While it's impossible to provide a precise timeline, it's essential to be aware of potential delays. USCIS publishes processing time estimates on its website, which can serve as a general guideline. Tips for a smooth Form I-90 process. Maximizing your chances of approval. To increase your chances of a successful Form I-90 application, consider the following tips. Submit a complete application. Ensure all required information and supporting documents are included. Follow instructions carefully. Adhere to USCIS guidelines to avoid delays or rejection. Be patient. Understand that the processing time may be longer than expected. Check your application status. Use USCIS online tools to monitor the progress of your case. Consider professional help. If you encounter difficulties, consult with an immigration attorney for guidance. Addressing Form I-90 issues. If your Form I-90 application is delayed or denied, it's important to take action. You may request a status update from USCIS or appeal the decision, if applicable. Understanding the reasons for the delay or denial can help you determine the appropriate next steps. Importance of a valid green card. Maintaining a valid green card is crucial for your status as a lawful permanent resident. An expired or missing green card can lead to various legal and practical challenges, including difficulties with employment, travel, and accessing government benefits. It's essential to prioritize renewing your green card before it expires to avoid any disruptions to your life in the United States. Thanks for watching.